Hey, want a koala bear? Want a koala bear? You want a toy? Well, come on, baby. Get your toy. Not gonna collect the toy. Let's go look inside your den. Go look in your den. Howie can come in your den too. Come here. No toy for you. Okay, let's go look at her den. Holy cow, that's far. Yeah, that's a puppy bed. About all I can see from here. I'm probably, with my arm and my selfie stick, I'm probably 5-6 foot inside. Here is her old den. It goes clear through. No wonder she's got so much shit in here. That's her old puppy bed. That's the raccoon, stuffed raccoon I gave her the other day. It's another stuffed toy of some kind. I can't see what it is. What's neat, her old den goes clear through to her new den. That's daylight through there. What is really neat, if you take a right here, let's see if I can get this on video. This one here drops down. Holy cow, goes way down there. Okay, this is all of my selfie stick and my whole arm. And I'll show you where this one goes. So if you come out of her original den, go past duck. And this was the exit to her first den, her second exit. This goes clear down and back up where we just were. Right there is everything I could reach with my selfie stick and my arm. Come out of this hole. Right back up through her new den. And there's that puppy bed. So they're all connected. There's about 15 to 20 foot from extreme hole to extreme hole, and about 8 foot deep. She has been working her ass off. Hadn't she, Doc?